Hi, this is Bhaskar Jayavelu. Welcome back to Madras Tech 360. Today we are going to see the end of the day chart analysis for Nifty and Bank Nifty on 13th of October 2021. First, let us look at the Nifty chart and mark the important support and resistance. This is PDH, previous day high, and this is PDL, previous day low. Apart from this, that's the Virgin CPR on 8th of October. There is a small demand zone at this place where market went up from this point, and as we have marked PDL already, it is not necessary to mark the demand zone, and there is no swing high here. Let me check in 30 minutes chart. Okay, this is swing high. This is swing high. Okay, we have marked the important support and resistance. Let me play the candles now. Market opened nearly 100 points gap up because there was a news in Tata Motors, so market opened nearly 100 points higher, and it opened with a red candle. This red candle took the resistance from R2 and closed below R2. So at this point there is no opportunity to enter the short trade because there is a resistance R1. This resistance R1 will act as a support, so there is no room to move from this candle to the resistance R1 if we place a stop loss above the candle. So there is no trade at the first candle. And now let us mark the first 1 hour high and low, that is initial balance high and initial balance low. This is initial balance low, and this is initial balance high, I B H. This is I B L. Right, let's look for some opportunity. There is an opportunity at this green candle. This green candle broke the IBH and closed above the IBH, so one can go for a long entry at this green candle. So we can go long here. This is the entry, and you can place a stop loss below the candle, and we can keep the target here 2R. And this is the entry and exit and stop loss as per our strategy, but unfortunately the market came down and took our stop loss. So today in Nifty we had only one trade which gave us a loss of 1 hour. So whenever there is a loss, we should lose only 1% of your capital. When there's a profit, we have to take 2% of our capital. We should not lose more than 1% of our capital. So minus 1 hour loss. Next, let us look at the Bank Nifty chart. In Bank Nifty, let us mark the important supports and resistance here. First, as usual, let's mark the PDH and PDL here. There is no urgency CPR nearby. We have marked the important supports and resistance. Let me play the candles now. Even Bank Nifty open gap up with a red candle. This red candle closed below the resistance R1. If we take the entry at the close of this red candle, our stop loss will be above the red candle and target will be PDH in this scenario. So look, when we calculate the risk reward, if we take the entry here and put our stop loss here, and our target will be somewhere here, but target at PDH is not a proper risk reward ratio, so I will not prefer to enter the trade at this red candle. So there is no opportunity at the first candle. The market went almost sideways for the first 1 hour, so let's mark the initial balance high and initial balance low. This is initial balance high and this initial balance low. This initial balance low is almost with the PDL. Fine. Here, looking for the next opportunity, we can see this big red candle which broke the IBL, but we cannot go short at this close of this red candle because this candle is too big. We cannot place a stop loss above the candle and take a trade here. So the stop loss will be big and the target will be very small when we place a target at CPR. So what we have to do is we have to wait for some retracement to the IBL, but it went back to the IBL and even it broke the IBL and went inside. So there is no proper retracement at this point to enter the trade. So there is no opportunity here also. And looking for the other better opportunity, there is no proper opportunity here as per our strategy. So there is no trade in Bank Nifty today. So overall in Nifty, we made a loss of 1 hour, whereas in Bank Nifty there is no trade. So overall we had a loss of. So as per my strategy, if your investment is 1 lakh rupees, 1 lakh investment is 1 lakh rupee, In Nifty, you can go for 2 lots. In Bank Nifty, you can go for 1 lot. Here today in 2 lots we made a loss of 1 hour. So 1 hour is nothing but 1% of the capital. So it should be around 1000 rupees. Our loss should be. I will explain about this in detail in my upcoming videos about risk management and position sizing. That's all about today, guys. Meet you tomorrow. Bye.